Hello guys, today we are going to see about the task given by some company. I don't want to name it, but I filed the name as Jalan because they are the one who sent me. I created two tasks due to them. They asked me to create a face-to-face video, I think, but I am not comfortable with the face-to-face video, so I'm going to create this video, how it is processing and how it's working. I think the company member will also see this thing as I share the link for them. Okay, for the question one, they are asking me to create a program, takes an input as an array of number, positive or negative. The objective is to return the array arranged in alternative order such as every positive number is followed by a negative number throughout. Example, they are giving minus 3, 1, 2, 4, minus 6, 8, minus 8, minus 1. The result can be 1, minus 3, 2, 6, 4, minus 8, 8, minus 1. They asked me to note the number of positive numbers and negative numbers do not have to be equal. If there are more positive numbers than negative, they may appear in the end of array. Similarly for negative numbers. Please share your response to code share. I checked about this code share. It's like a program thing that can be shared for instead of GitHub. You can save it for private issues, but you can only communicate the code via them only, the company members only. And in the addition, they also asked me to specify the time complexity with big zero notation and space complexity with big zero notation for your solution as well as all possible test cases. Okay, but before I go for the answer, I will run the program. I created this positive negative alternatives using ARR and I put the I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, n is equal to length array, else things. And for the test case, I used the examples here and also modify it like this. The case text is printed will be as a original array or result. So I'm going to share how to run, how I created. So you can also subscribe my channel ABAnuSara blog and you can also support me via there. And you can also see my other works which will be useful for you as a developer or a beginner. This Python Q1. Q1 is the question one answer. In that, the original array is shown here as the minus 3, 1, 2, 4, minus 6, 8, minus 8, minus 1. The result is shown as 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, minus 6, minus 3, minus 8, minus 1. And here, the original, like here, the test cases, it says the 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 3 as the result. And for minus 3, minus 1, it says minus 3, minus 1, the same values. And for 1, 2, 3, they say same 1, 2, 3. For the result of null, it results also says as null. For the question 2, they say to write a program to build ticket software for zoo using object-oriented programming, which is called OPP. Yes. If you are familiar or comfortable with object-oriented programming, we suggest you give this article a quick read to ensure to understand it before you attempt it. It should have a following feature when the guests arrive. It is the following feature actually. The person and the ticket should input the number of guests and the age of the guest. And the price depends on the age as follows. You can find the ages here. And we have to write like this. For the second one, the security personnel should ability to validate the ticket. It should able to see the guest and the age associated with the ticket manually to verify the guest who trying to enter the zoo. So guest example with ages is here. And I'm going to share the Python runned question 2 here. The guests are here and ages are added. Only the ages, not the names. And the ticket for the guest and the total cost are added. We also mentioned the ages we created, right? For the one. A 12 year entries 0, 100 years, like that. We added it using for if else and return. To display the details, we used the guest and age, and to issue the tickets, we created the total number and number of guests like that. For valid, the display will give the details. It is the main process of the above one. Mostly the main process will be added at the end to avoid complications. Most of the programmers and developers, we create the choose thing and valid. I first exited as valid, and what is happening here means I entered two guesses here and I added 2910. For them 600 and their ages are 2910. Here I didn't add their names, so it's okay. And I added issue for one person, and he is 27 and his ticket price will be 500. And I take the exit to complete the project. That's all.